Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Ambire wallet to Ledger on PC. Ambire wallet is a smart contract-based crypto wallet that allows you to manage digital assets easily from your browser, but for extra security many users prefer connecting to their wallet to a hardware wallet like Ledger. Ledger stores a private keys offline, making your crypto much safer from hacks or the malware. And in this video I'll show you step by step on how to connect Ambire wallet to a Ledger device on your PC and explain how it works. First, open to your Ambire wallet. Once you open to your web browser, at the top right we can find this extension. Make sure you have an Ambire wallet extension and open it. Once you open to this interface of your Ambire wallet, in the top we can find this account here. Select to this account and go to this add account on the bottom. Over here we can find this option just below the import run account. There's connect a hardware wallet. Select to this connect hardware wallet and simply select this Ledger over here, and you need to select to this authorize and connect. Ambire wallet will now try to detect a Ledger device, and after connecting, Ambire will display a list of available Ledger addresses, and these are generated from your Ledger device. Choose the address you want to use, click confirm or add account, and now your Ledger wallet address is added to the Ambire. And that is it. That's how you can connect Ambire wallet to a Ledger hardware wallet on PC. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any confusion or queries, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.